Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to make anything out of clay, no sculpting this time. The only thing I am doing is just give a little update. I haven't been making that much right now in clay, but I am planning for the coming winter season. So what I've done is I bought a few hundred of these brown paper bags because I am thinking about starting to sell my gnomes, my elves. But to just have a plain brown paper bag to put them in isn't really what I want. So I was thinking about getting myself a stamp, a professional stamp. Now I have designed this. I want to make a round stamp, old-fashioned, that you just can stamp your paper bags. And yes, this is going to be the design that I'm going to take a picture of, send it in online. There are lots of companies making stamps on the net, so it's really easy to find them. And it sounds very easy. Just take a picture, they make you a stamp, and you will receive it in about 4 to 5 days. So this is it. It says Gårdstomtar, and in Finnish talon tontut. So this is house gnomes or house elves, and then my name as an ambigram. You can see I can turn it around and it still says Mika, Mika, my name. So I want to make this a little bit smaller. Time to take a picture of it and send it in, and let's just wait for the result so I can start putting some stamps on my brown paper bags. So until then, I sent this as a JPEG picture to one company here in Finland that makes stamps. About 38 euros for delivery and everything. So now I'm excited because this is what I got in the post. So this will be now an unboxing video or whatever they call it. I haven't opened it yet, so let's take a look. Of course I could have chosen a stamp with you know, the automatic inkwell, but I just chose an old-fashioned round wooden stamp. I like things like that. So let's see what's inside. To wait a minute. Here we go. Paper. There we go. Yes, 44 euros with the taxes and everything, so a little bit more than I said. And here we are. This is my stamp. Whoa, it looks like this. Let's see now if my inkwell has any ink in it. Yes, it does. You see it? Let's try it out. Perfect! Look at that. I'm really happy. So now I am going to stamp all of my paper bags and hopefully sell a few of my elves this winter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get some great ideas, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. I'm really happy for all of your subscriptions. See you next time. Bye bye.